Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment. Sign into the Microsoft account you use for the store, then run WS Reset. EXE to clear the cache. This removes stale dependency flags quickly. Once done, open services and make sure the Windows Update and Microsoft Store services are set to automatic and are running. If not, start them. This avoids store-side blockages. Make sure you have admin rights and that Windows has no pending restarts, because those interruptions often prevent dependency checks from completing. Now, you re-register the store and repair system packages. Open PowerShell as administrator and run the re-register apps command for the store package. This forces the store to rebuild its dependency registry. Next, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and sfc/scano to repair corrupted system components that block package validation. Then, use Winget or add/remove programs to install or repair NET and Visual C++ runtimes. These finish by rebooting to apply repairs, then sign back into the store and attempt the installation. This confirms whether dependencies now validate. If it still fails, create a new local administrator account and try there. This isolates profile corruption. Finally, open Event Viewer and filter for package management and AppX logs to capture precise error codes. If you see missing package ID, install those frameworks manually. One key troubleshooting tip. When errors persist, record the exact error code and retry the re-register step after removing any third-party antivirus temporarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.